Hi guys, we are back to guide you on how to update your Samsung Galaxy Saturn I6500 phones to XZNJC4 Asian firmware. As the name itself suggests that this is an Asian firmware of Samsung Galaxy Saturn phones. So we request other users not to use this firmware update on your phones as there is a high probability of your device damage. So only Asian users need to use this guide to update their phones. So here is the article on how to update your Samsung Galaxy Saturn I6500 phones to XZNJC4 Asian firmware. So this is the article which look like, and we have divided this whole article into few pages so that you can easily understand the instructions and the actual procedure to be followed for the updation process. So here we have mentioned something which is very important. You can refer this stock ROM and custom ROM. So once you refer this, we'll see the instructions in the next page. See, by clicking the second page you can navigate to second page. Here we find the instructions. So these are the instructions to be followed before updating your phone to XZNJC4 firmware. So first point we'll always cover is to store your data on the phone. So as soon as you finish with the firmware update, your data on the phone will be lost. So in order to avoid the data loss, you need to back up your data. So how to do that? So here are the few examples on how you can store your data. So to back up and restore your messages and contacts, just use this procedure by clicking the link here. And to back up and restore all your music files, pictures, videos, just store them on external SD card. This might be very useful to you. Next, after backing up of your all the data, next note down the APN and MMS settings, because most of the users will not get access to internet and the MMS services after the updation process. So to avoid that, you need to ensure that you have a note of this APN and MMS settings. So just follow this path here: applications, settings, wireless network, mobile networks, and access point names. Here you can find the APN and MMS settings. So just make a note of it. And here you can see the procedure for backup your phone contacts, call logs, SMS, and MMS. You can follow this guide to restore and backup all your contacts, SMS, etc. So once you're done with that, follow these instructions which we are given here. So after following all these instructions, next we'll see the actual procedure by step on how to update your Samsung Galaxy Saturn phones to XZNJC4. So initially you have to download this zip file we have given here. So I will show how the extracted files look. So these are the three files which you'll get upon extraction. So in the process of extraction you need to enter the password. So please enter this as a password, androidadvisors.com, and you need to extract the file safely. So if you find any of the file missing from these three extracted files, you need to download the zip file again. So once all the files are extracted, just open the Odin tool from the extracted files. See, I will show. So this is how Odin flash tool will be looking. So once this file is opened, just turn off your phone and on it back again to enter into the downloading mode. So how to enter into the downloading mode? Here is the video tutorial which will explain you how to enter into the downloading mode. So I'll just press volume down key and OK button along with the power button simultaneously, then your phone will be turned automatically into the downloading mode, or else you can refer this video. Next, after your phone is downloading mode, just connect your phone to the PC using the USB cable. Then the block here will be turning into the yellow color, which indicates that all the necessary drivers have been installed successfully. So once you get this confirmation, just proceed further and you have to select the PDA file. I will show you how to select it. Just go through it. Odin file, where is the Odin file? So this is the Odin file. Just select on PDA and you will be getting this PDA file. Just open it here and just click on the start button to initiate the process of firmware updation. So the process of firmware update will take few minutes, so do not disturb the process in the middle, or else you need to start the whole procedure again from the beginning. So once the process is completed, your phone will be restarted automatically. So now turn off your mobile and on it back again to enter into the recovery mode. So here is again the video tutorial on how to enter your Android phone into the recovery mode. So just press volume up key and OK button along with the power button simultaneously, then your phone will be automatically entered into the recovery mode. So once your phone is in recovery mode, just choose the options like wipe data factory reset and wipe cache partition. So these options should be chosen in order to delete all the cache files that will be generated into your phone in the process of firmware update. So these cache files will damage some of the applications on the phones, so to avoid such damage we need to ensure that we need to clear all the cache files from the phone. So after deleting all the cache files, just reboot your phone using the option reboot system now, and that's it. Again, you need to enter the language preferences and Google account preferences to bring your phone into the normal mode. And that's all. Now your Samsung Galaxy Saturn I6500 phones are updated with the latest Asian firmware of XZNJC4. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.